I'm Jasmine and I am a senior at Okemos High School this year. A fun fact about me is that I have been a dancer for about 12 years and on a competitive team for 7 years. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make super easy, fun, and delicious chocolate covered pretzels. So all I did was I took this type of chocolate chips. They're just dark chocolate chips, so you can use any kind you would like, and also any kind of pretzels. I'm using these pretzel crisp thin ones. And I'm going to take 1/4 of a cup and then heat that up in the microwave for about a minute, and this is what it will look like. And then after you have your chocolate, you're going to take your pretzels and then just dip it in however you would like. I like to do it like in halves, and then just set it on parchment paper. And then if you want to get fancy, you can add any sprinkles or other treats like coconut flakes or whatever you would like, and then just add it on. And then if you want to wait until it hardens, you can put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes and it should be good by then. Or if you want it to be warm, you could eat it right away, which I wouldn't recommend. But don't forget to keep reading and learning even throughout this socially distanced school year, and I hope that you have a great week. Thank you for watching.